Hello again, fan collectors. It's time for another video. This time we're looking at this FASCO Parlour Fan, probably from the late 70s. I found this at a Habitat Restore recently and installed it on the porch here because it has these nice molded plastic blades that are a pretty convincing fake wood grain. And because of the plastic blades, I thought it would be a good fit out here. Previously, if you remember some of my other videos, there was a Harbor Breeze fan called the Tebron Garden. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It was a mid-2000s Harbor Breeze fan from Lowe's, and it was kind of sad and droopy looking, so I was very excited to find this because I could finally replace it. This one was fully complete. There were no parts missing. I had to do nothing to it to get it into working condition other than adding the light kit. No, it did not come with the light kit. It did come with the nice ornate switch cap though, which I will save for later, in case I ever decide to install this somewhere else without the light. But for the time being, it will have a light on it because this is the only light source here on my back porch. So, without further ado, let's get some things turned on. We'll start with the light. I'll just reach inside here and flip the switch. Pretty self-explanatory. Now we'll turn the fan on. I love the way these old J-hook fans, actually this one's on a U-bolt, but same thing. I love the way they kind of bounce back when you turn them on from the motor torque. Just adds a little bit of character. So this is on high now. Totally silent, no bearing noise. Just has a little bit of a wobble. It's not really bad enough that I feel like messing with it right now. We never really used this fan anyway. I probably could have just installed a light out here, but I needed an excuse to buy this parlor fan. And I'm happy I did. I have no regrets. So those of you who are familiar with FASCO speed controls, this has the Verilo system, where the pull chain's first position, where we are now, is high speed, and the second position engages the variable speed knob. So the first position, high, completely bypasses the knob, so the knob doesn't have any effect. But now I'm going to pull the chain. We're going to switch to variable speed. I don't remember what setting it's set to, but from the looks of it, it's on the lowest one. The wobble gets a little worse at this kind of low, medium speed, but once it slows down enough, it steadies out. Yeah, this is definitely the lowest setting. A funny story. Originally, when I got this fan, it had been so long since I had messed with these old FASCOs that I forgot about the Verilo system. So I had it on the variable speed setting, and I had it all the way up, and I was thinking, you know, this isn't very fast. But I quickly figured out that I just had to turn it up to the highest speed to bypass the speed control, and then it actually engaged full speed. So we're on the lowest setting now. It's the kind of aesthetic low. Doesn't do much for air movement, but it looks cool. A lot of these older fans have a setting like this. But we're going to turn it up a little bit. Try to get kind of a medium speed going. It's a great fan. Moves plenty of air. There we go. We'll put it on the highest setting on the variable speed. So it's somewhere between medium and high on like a normal modern 52-inch fan. We'll turn it off. We'll turn the light off too. Even though the switch for it is actually inside. And yes, I do have separate switches on this. It's a pretty recent house, so it's all wired for ceiling fans with the separate hot wires. It's really nice. Very convenient. Even out on the back porch, they went through the trouble of putting in 12.3 Romex. Well, that's it for today's video. Yes, I could show it to you on a reverse, but that just takes up more time. It looks the same just going the other way, trust me. It does work on a reverse. You can believe me. I tried. We'll just let it spin all the way down so you can see the spin down time, which is quite good, by the way. Like I said, no bearing noise, no bearing problems, which is impressive. This thing must not have been used very much. And there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll try to come out with another one, whenever I buy another fan, I guess, which may be a little while, since I don't really actively collect them anymore. I just buy the really cool ones when they come up at a good price. This one fit the bill pretty well, obviously. Alright, thanks for watching, see you next time.